Hello, my name is Shradha. I am from class 12. Today I am going to make a healthy salad which is very easy to make. Here I have taken the ingredients: sprouts, corns, carrot, pomegranate, lemon juice, paneer, cucumber, black pepper and salt. Here I am adding the sprouts in it, which is very nutritious. Next I am adding the corns in it, which are very healthy and helps in digestion. Here I am mixing with sprouts and corns. Next I am taking carrot, which is very easily available in market, pomegranate, paneer, which is very highly present in protein, cucumber, which are highly present in fiber and also helps in digestion. I am mixing it. Now I am adding lemon juice, which also helps in digestion and are highly present in fiber. Now I am adding black pepper, rock salt. You can add rock salt according to your taste. You can see that it is very colorful and very nutritious and also very healthy. It helps in boosting your immunity. Now in this corona time we can easily have this so that our white blood cells can easily protect from the bacteria. Now I have done this with salad. You can see that it is very beautiful. Here we can see that I have made this healthy salad, which is very healthy. Thank you.